Hello, I'd like to talk to you today about what is digital data analysis. Digital data analysis means analysing data with the help of computers rather than doing it manually. I have made another short video about manual data analysis. There are many ways to analyse data digitally, and the way you choose will depend on your skills, your abilities, your inclinations and your resources. You can use everyday software such as Word or Excel on a PC, or Pages or Numbers on a Mac, or open source equivalents. These programs will work with text or numerical data. You can copy and paste, highlight and rearrange text, or make statistical calculations. Or you can use specialist computer-assisted qualitative data analysis software, known by its acronym CAQDAS. Packages include NVivo, MaxQDA and Quirkos, plus several others, and there are open source options here too. Most of these packages will work with text, images, sound clips and often numbers as well. They all have free trial options, so you can have a go and find out which you prefer. They can take a bit of learning. You probably would need to do some formal training or spend a long time with YouTube videos and help pages before you can do analytic work with confidence. But they do have some big advantages over manual analysis. To begin with, once you've coded your data, asking new questions of your data is very quick and easy if you've done your analytic work digitally. Then the software programs have built-in methods of speeding up the work, such as searching for all the instances of a specific word or phrase in a massive data set in just seconds. It's best to use digital methods if you have a big data set. Smaller data sets are more suited to manual data analysis, but equally you can use digital methods with small data sets too. That's a lot easier than doing manual analysis with a big data set. Whichever method you choose, I wish you luck.